Stop thinking all birds just fly forward. There's one tiny bird that's got some serious moves. Meet the only bird that goes in reverse. It's called the hummingbird. While other birds flap forward, the hummingbird can zip backward, sideways, and even hover like a helicopter. How? Their wings twist in a figure 8, giving them super control in the air. Imagine flying to your favorite snack, then backing away just like that. Hummingbirds are tiny, but their flying skills are huge. So next time you spot a hummingbird, remember, you're watching the only bird that can rock a perfect reverse. Isn't nature amazing?